At midnight, Mara found the old typewriter in her grandmother's attic, its keys gleaming beneath a thick layer of dust. She couldn't resist the urge to press one. The machine clacked to life with a metallic sigh that echoed in the silent room. She laughed nervously, then froze. The carriage shifted on its own. Words began to appear, letter by letter, forming a chilling sentence. "I see you." Mara stumbled back, heart pounding wildly. The typewriter paused, then resumed, faster now. "Don't run. Stay. Write." She backed toward the attic door, but it slammed shut with a deafening bang. The typewriter hammered out, "Finish the story or become it." Shaking, Mara approached, hands trembling uncontrollably. She tried to type, but the keys resisted, moving under invisible hands. The machine described her fear, her frantic breaths, her desperate attempts to escape. The words bled across the page, each line a suffocating thread tightening around her. The final sentence appeared, "She was never seen again." The typewriter fell silent. When Mara's family opened the attic days later, they found nothing but the machine and a fresh page. At the bottom, one last line, "Next writer, please."